आयकपाक येनाशिल्ले दुयेंसांचेर जागृताय घडोवन हाडपा खातीर मडगांव अर्बन भलायकी केंद्रान फातोड्ड्यां वॉकाथॉन घडोवन हाडली. पळयात.
जागतीक श्रवण दिसाच्या निमतान ही वॉकाथॉन घडोवन हाडिल्ली. जगभर हो श्रवण दीस मनयतात. लोकांचो ताका बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो. जांकां आयकपाक येना तांचे खातीर कसल्यो सुविधा आसात ताचेर जागृताय घडोवन हाडपाच्या हेतान ही कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडिल्ली. भलायकी केंद्रांतली दोतोर प्रतीक्षा कुंकळकारान म्हायती दिली.
Center Margao. Today we have all gathered over here for walkathon on the occasion of World Hearing Day. World Hearing Day is celebrated all across the world on 3rd of March, and this year's theme, as you can see, is to hear for life, listen with care. So this is just an awareness walk wherein we want to focus on all the ways in which we can prevent hearing loss. And in case if anybody is diagnosed with the same, we have all the ENTs and all the specialist doctors and all our hospitals across the state who cater to all these people, and the treatment is provided for free. So it's a request to the people out that in case anybody is having any hearing loss, maybe in the pediatric age group or adult age group, please come forward, consult your doctors and take the necessitated treatment. Students are from NSS unit of Government College of Commerce, and also this is in collaboration with the Club of Margao.
गोवा 365 खातीर मडगांवच्यान संदीप तुयेकार.